Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I did this simple bridal hairstyle on my 4th year guys. So let's get into the tutorial.
What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around.
I'm going to be using one pack of Darling 1 million braids in color number 1, and I did cut it in half. So for curling it guys, the straws that I'm using are not strong, so I'm putting a chopstick inside and I'm just placing my hair on top right there, and then I'm going to twist the hair, and then I'm going to start wrapping it around the straw. So just twist and wrapping it around closer to each other and make sure it is tight. And when you finish wrapping your hair around the straw, you can then remove the chopstick, and then you can pin your straw with bobby pins to secure it, and then you can just trim the flyaways on your hair. So this is one pack of the 1 million braids, and I'm just going to add this pure touch conditioner, and then I'm going to add water in it, and I'm going to leave it like this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it from the water and leave it overnight to dry. When I washed my hair, I just put it in this twist, and I'm just going to comb my hair. I'm not going to use any heat. I'm just going to comb my hair, and then I'm going to start laying down my hair. I'm going to divide my hair in 3 sections, and that way guys it will be easier for me to lay my hair because it is thick. So you have to apply your gel in section, like little sections if you have thick hair, so that it will lay nicely. I'm using this detangling brush to brush my hair before applying the gel, and then I'm going to be using this Isoplast gel to lay down my hair. And guys, I don't use this gel alone when I lay down my hair because my hair is thick, and when I use this gel alone, the style doesn't last. So I will also be using glamour spray to make sure that the style lasts. Yeah, so I love this gel because it lays down my 4C hair really good, but in terms of lasting, I have to add something else so that the style will last. Yeah, so I'm just applying the gel in little sections, and then after applying the gel, I'm going to comb my hair to make sure that everything is sleek and laying flat. And then after doing the first section, I will then go to the second, joining it to the first hair, and then the third joining into the rest of the hair guys. I want a top bun, so all the hair at the back is going to come to this first ponytail right here. So I'm just going to continue to apply the gel in little section, comb my hair, then tie this first section, and then join with the others guys. So keep watching guys.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So right here I'm just using my bristle brush to make sure that everything is laying flat, everything is combed out. Yeah, so after doing this I'm going to tie my hair twice, and like I said before guys, this Isoplast gel doesn't last on my hair, so I'm going to be using the spray. So if I use this gel, I use a spray or another gel to make sure that it holds and lasts longer. Yeah, so if I use this alone on my natural hair, it melts guys, it melts. For my edges, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to brush them into the rest of the hair because I'm going to have bangs, so everything is going to be covered anyway. So this is the glamour spray that I'm going to be using. It's a holding spray for less wig, and it does not leave any residue guys. It does not leave any residue. So I'm just going to spray it right there on my hair, and then I'm going to tie a scarf on my hair, and then I'm going to leave it to dry guys. And then after it's dry, we're going to be installing our curly hair guys. I'm so excited about this. It was so quick and easy to do guys. This hairstyle is really easy and very quick to do guys. I'm going to start off by using this Brazilian wool for the base of my bun. So I'm just going to pin it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to wrap it around to form a bun guys. This is the base of my bun guys. For installing the curly hair, I'm going to put a bobby pin in the middle of the hair, and then I'm just going to pin it right there below the bun guys. I'm going to start off by doing the bangs. So I'm going to do this for the rest of the bangs. I'm going to be using bobby pin. Just place it in the middle of your curly hair and then just pin it right there. So for the bangs guys, I did not separate the hair. I just use it like this guys. And then for the bun on top there, I will be separating the hair into two. So at the front, if the hair is longer than the other ones, you can just use your scissors to trim it off. On the bang area, you can add as much hair as you want according to your desire. So before I install the crown guys, I'm going to be installing the hair that I separated right here at the front of the bun. So I'm just going to use my bobby pins to secure the hair at the front, and then I'm going to secure it at the back again with a bobby pin. So I'm going to do this at the front, and then I'm going to be installing the crown, and then I'm going to continue with covering the bun with the curly hair. So like that guys, just secure at the front with a bobby pin and also at the back with a bobby pin, and then you can you can just place your crown right there on top guys. For the crown guys, you can use any crown that you want according to your occasion. Yeah, if you are really doing a wedding, obviously you need like a really nice expensive crown. For that, this crown is just a cheap crown that I used for an example to show you how if you want to do this style guys. So right here, after installing the crown, I'm then going to pin the hair at the top of the bun and then securing it under to cover. I'm going to cover the sides of the crown, like from the sides all the way to the back. I'm going to cover that with the curly hair. So I'm just going to place the hair from on the top of the bun, securing it with a bobby pin, and then securing it with a bobby pin again under the crown to make sure that it is covered right around here at the back. So I'm just going to do that. After doing that, covering the crown right here at the back guys, you will be done guys. This style is so simple, easy, fast, quick to do guys. If your hair is short, you can just pull it to increase the length right here at the bangs. When you stretch this hair, it increases the length. I'm using bobby pins to pin the sides of the bangs so that my hair can stay in place guys. It doesn't go all over, it can stay right where I want it. So just pin the last curls on the sides to make sure that everything is controlled to be in the middle only. So this is the final look, guys. This is the final look. Only one pack of braiding here, guys, and you achieve this style. So do let me know what you think about this style in the comment section down below. Are you going to try it out? Do let me know, guys, what you think about this style, guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. I really appreciate your support, guys. Yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and share this video, guys. It helps me a lot. So thank you so much for watching again. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye.